Hi there, I'm Christina from hairromance.com. Now you might recognise this hairstyle because I posted it just a little while ago, but I showed it to you in straight hair. And I had a lot of questions and some great comments saying that it would look great in curly hair. And I have to agree. So often it's difficult to picture a style if you've got a different hair type. So I've just recreated the same tutorial today to show you how to do it in my curly hair. And I've got some tips of braiding curls as well. Also, with this style, I've got some extra tips on how to braid curly hair throughout the tutorial as well. So let's get started. So this is my day 2 hair. It's pretty thick and a mix of 2 C waves and 3 A curls. To make it easier to braid curly hair, I use a leave-in conditioner. This is the Shea Moisture 100% virgin coconut leave-in spray. My hair is parted on the right, so I'm starting my braid here. Pick up a section of hair and split it into 3. This is a Dutch braid, so you cross the sections under instead of over, as for a French braid. Cross the left under the middle, and then the right under the left. On the next cross under, we'll pick up hair from the front to add into the braid. Then add in some hair from the back. I'm trying not to add in too much hair from the back, so there's enough hair left for the braid as it goes around. I keep repeating the same steps, so let's speed it up. When braiding curly hair, I try to take in whole curls. Trying to split them up can cause knots and frizz, and tangles as you can see. Then, as you keep braiding around, you'll start to turn the braid. From the turn, I do change something, and now I only add in hair from the top. This is going to leave more hair to hang down underneath and look prettier under the braid. Keep braiding as if you're following an imaginary circle around your hair. As you start to add in hair at the other side, stop to check how many layers you like to leave out at the front. You can add them in, but I like to leave them out. At this point, I'll also adjust the braid, stretching it out to make it look thicker. If you have any layers, you can stretch and tuck them in now. Now, once you're back to the braid, I bring my hands around to the front and finish in a regular plait or braid. I think I missed a section there, so don't worry about getting it perfect. You might have layers like me here, and we can fix them by stretching out your hair or pinning them at the end. Now let's connect the ring braid by tucking the ends under the start of your braid. It's almost staying there on its own. I love this about curly hair. But let's secure it with a few bobby pins. Push your pins through, don't open them up, and if you can see them, just adjust them back in line with your braid. If you need to secure your braid at the side, just add in another pin. And now onto the curls at the bottom. If you've got any frizz or messy curls, use your leave-in conditioner to twist them back into shape. I like to spray it onto my hands to help smooth down any frizz. Then just twirl around with your new ring braid. So that's my crown braid in curly hair. I really hope you like seeing these styles in different hair types. And let me know in the comments if you've got a straight hair tutorial that you'd like to see in curly or wavy hair. And tell me, do you also have hair that doesn't curl evenly? It's completely my problem at the moment. I definitely think that this side curls better than this side. And I always have like a few random straight bits hanging in there as well. It's pretty normal to have a mix of curl types, so if this happens to you, let me know in the comments. Make sure you hit subscribe so you don't miss my next video, and hit the notification so you'll be the first to see it. Have fun with your hair, and I'll see you soon. Bye. Oh no! I just dropped my phone, so I'm going to keep recording. Have fun with your hair, and I'll see you soon. Bye.